Your vision is one of the most valuable senses, allowing you to experience the world around you. However, with the rise of digital devices, environmental stressor, and the natural aging process, many people face challenges with their eyesight. From strained eyes due to prolonged screen time to age-related conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts, our eyes are constantly exposed to factors that can weaken and damage vision over time. While we often focus on corrective lenses, eye drops, and surgeries to improve our eyesight, we sometimes overlook one of the most fundamental elements of eye health: nutrition. The eyes require specific nutrients to function optimally and remain protected against damage. Vitamins such as A, C, and E, along with essential antioxidants like lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, play a crucial role in maintaining healthy vision. These nutrients protect the eyes from oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and support overall eye health by preventing or slowing down the progression of vision-related conditions. The good news is that you can get these vital nutrients from what you consume daily, and one of the easiest ways to do so is by incorporating healthy drinks into your routine. This video introduces 8 nutrient-rich drinks that not only taste great, but also offer significant benefits for your vision. These beverages include a mix of smoothies, juices, and teas that are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals proven to support eye health. Whether you're looking to prevent future eye problems or want to repair and strengthen your existing vision, these drinks can help you achieve those goals naturally. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 1. Carrot and orange juice. Carrots are renowned for their high beta-carotene content, which is a type of vitamin A. This nutrient is essential for good vision, especially in low-light conditions, and helps protect against age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. Vitamin A also plays a role in maintaining a healthy cornea, the outer layer of the eye. When you combine carrots with oranges, you introduce a powerful dose of vitamin C, another antioxidant that protects the eyes from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also supports the health of blood vessels in the eyes, reducing the risk of cataracts. Carrot and orange juice is also rich in hydration, keeping the eyes lubricated and preventing dryness. To prepare this juice, blend fresh carrots with oranges and a bit of water. You can add honey or ginger for added taste and extra health benefits. Number 2. Spinach and kale smoothie. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 potent antioxidants concentrated in the retina that protect the eyes from harmful light and oxidative damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as a natural shield, filtering harmful blue light that can contribute to macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, spinach and kale contain vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, all of which are essential for maintaining optimal eye health. A spinach and kale smoothie is an easy way to include these nutrients in your diet. Blend a handful of fresh spinach and kale with a banana, almond milk, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. For extra flavor and added antioxidants, you can throw in some berries. Number 3. Blueberry and beet juice. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a group of antioxidants that have been shown to improve vision and overall eye health by enhancing blood circulation in the retina and reducing inflammation. Anthocyanins also help reduce oxidative stress, which is a key factor in the development of eye-related issues like AMD and cataracts. Beets complement this drink with their high nitrate content, which improves blood flow to the eyes and other organs. A juice made from fresh beets and blueberries is a nutrient-dense drink that not only supports eye health, but also offers cardiovascular and anti-inflammatory benefits. Simply juice fresh beets and blend them with blueberries, adding a squeeze of lemon for extra vitamin C and flavor. Number 4. Turmeric. Golden milk. Turmeric is widely celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, largely due to curcumin, its active compound. Inflammation is a common factor in various eye problems, including dry eyes and optic nerve damage. Curcumin helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the eyes, protecting against conditions like AMD and cataracts. Turmeric golden milk, made with milk or a plant-based alternative, offers an excellent way to incorporate curcumin into your diet. Milk provides vitamin D and calcium, both of which are beneficial for overall health, including the eyes. To make turmeric golden milk, warm your choice of milk and stir in a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, which enhances curcumin absorption, and honey for sweetness. You can also add a sprinkle of cinnamon for added flavor and health benefits. Number 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is known for its soothing properties, but it's also beneficial for eye health due to its high content of vitamins A, C, and E. Vitamin A is critical for protecting the cornea and preventing night blindness. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that supports the health of the eye's blood vessels and reduces the risk of cataracts, while vitamin E protects the eyes from oxidative stress. Aloe vera juice also has anti-inflammatory properties, making it helpful for reducing eye irritation and dryness. To enjoy aloe vera juice, blend fresh aloe vera gel with water or mix it with other fruit juices or smoothies. You can enhance the taste with honey or lemon juice, making it a refreshing and healthy drink for your eyes. Number 6. Green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been linked to eye health benefits. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting against conditions like glaucoma and AMD. Green tea also contains small amounts of vitamin C, vitamin E, and lutein, all of which are beneficial for maintaining healthy vision. Additionally, drinking green tea can help keep the eyes hydrated, reducing the risk of dryness and discomfort. To prepare green tea, steep high-quality tea leaves or tea bags in hot water. For added flavor and nutrients, you can squeeze in some lemon juice and stir in honey. Number 7. Citrus and berry smoothie. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which is vital for eye health. Vitamin C helps strengthen the blood vessels in the eyes and reduces the risk of cataracts and AMD. Berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Combining citrus fruits and berries in a smoothie creates a delicious and nutritious drink that supports eye health and overall well-being. To make this smoothie, blend a mix of citrus fruits with berries of your choice. You can add yogurt or almond milk for creaminess and a boost in nutrients. Number 8. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that protects the eyes from light-induced damage. Lycopene, in combination with vitamin C and beta-carotene found in tomatoes, helps lower the risk of AMD, cataracts, and other eye-related conditions. Regularly consuming tomato juice can support good vision and overall eye health by providing the necessary antioxidants. Additionally, tomatoes are hydrating, which is crucial for keeping the eyes moist and preventing dryness. To prepare fresh tomato juice, blend ripe tomatoes with a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a dash of pepper for flavor. You can also add fresh herbs like basil for a refreshing twist. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.